In this video I want to explain about using Ansible in an idempotent way. So what is idempotency? Well, if you look it up at Wikipedia, you can see that idempotence is a property of operations in mathematics and computer science, whereby they can be applied multiple times without changing the result. Stated otherwise, no matter how often you run a playbook or a task, the result should always be the same, regardless the original situation. It's a result that it's all about. Ansible is about state management and the desired state. That is what the result should be. So in Ansible it means that the module should run successfully, where it makes no difference if the current state already meets the desired state or not. And many Ansible modules are idempotent by nature, but some are not. And you need to have a sharp eye for that, because if Ansible is not working in an idempotent way, you may end up being disappointed about what exactly Ansible is doing for you. As a generic guideline, avoid using common modules like command and shell or roll, as they are not idempotent by nature. I developed a short demo, and in the short demo we can see the differences. Here on the slide you can see the demo. Let me walk you through it. Alright, let me start with Ansible all -m ping, which is pinging all of the nodes. Now the ping module is a very simple module. It does not change anything. It will just check and return the result. Now that is different if you have modules that change something. Now let's first use Ansible all -m user -a, name is Lisa, which is going to use the user module to create a user with the name Lisa on all the managed nodes. You can see in the result of the module that is giving me a changed true, and it's giving all the different properties that it is creating. Now if you run this same command again, the only thing that changes is that right now we see change is false, but we still see the desired state on the managed node. That is what idempotency is all about. Now let me use Ansible all -m command -a user add Lisa. This is also adding user Lisa, but it's adding user Lisa in a different way. And what do we get? Well, we get an error message. This is what non-idempotency looks like. Now, why is this so important? Well, this is important because normally modules in Ansible are used in a playbook. If a specific task in the playbook already has been configured, you don't want your playbook to fail. You want your playbook to just continue with the next task. If you have modules that are failing, which is happening with these non-idempotent modules, further playbook execution on that host will stop. And that brings undesired situations. And that is why common modules like command and shell and roll in particular should be avoided at all time. They are not idempotent. I will later show you, if you need to run them anyway, how you can use a when statement to make them idempotent anyway. But for now, just remember, avoid using these modules. They can bring you trouble. Let me clean it up. Ansible all -m user -a, name is Lisa and state is absent. Now user Lisa is removed, and that has cleaned up the situation for the next couple of demos.